Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I know it's been another little minute, but I've been busy. I've been planning a wedding and working, and today we checked one more thing off of the list. I have found my dress. I have ordered the cake. I've been a busy little bee at the beginning of this year, but how are you guys doing? How has your January and New Year started off? Let me know down below. But today we are unboxing the Jeffree Star Valentine's Day Collection Mystery Box Premium. I almost got the Supreme, but I was so close. I was so close. But then it told me that my cookies weren't enabled, which was total BS because they were. But I ended up getting this jacket. Love it. Let me see if I can turn around for you. But it says, let's see. Oh, I'm in my bed, so it's a little squishy and bouncy. Jeffree Star approved. So it was only fitting that I wear it for this unboxing video. So I got the premium and the deluxe. The deluxe should be here tomorrow, but we're gonna go ahead and open this middle one because I'm so excited. So without any further ado, let's get into it. I've stayed off of social media, off of the Twitter threads, off of the Facebook groups. I don't know anything about what's in it. I didn't want to see any spoilers, but I heard that there was something in here that people were like upset about, or I'm just going to say this. I'm never going to be upset with a mystery box because it's a mystery. You're going into it knowing it's a mystery. So I feel like you can't really get upset about that. I don't know. I don't care. It's all fun. It's just fun. I know it's people's money. I love my boxes regardless. And if I can't use something or have a duplicate, I either, hear that thunder? I either give it away or in a giveaway to someone less fortunate or to my daughter. So I'm not about all the controversy with it. Sorry, I keep playing with my weave. It needs to be brushed. It's a bit of a hot mess right now, but let's do it. Okay. I already like cut it open to say I didn't want to cut my bed all up. So ready. Oh my gosh. Okay, so first things first. This matches me. It's one of the dad caps, which, heck yes. I have a blue one already with like this color emblem, and I love it. Love it. And they're adjustable on the back. I got some big head, so we're gonna loosen it up a little bit, okay? Ooh, she cute. Okay. Next. Good thing I didn't buy this. Oh no. Oh wait. What? There wasn't shirts. There was only let me get situated. Okay. There was only hoodies in the collection, right? Am I right? I thought so. There wasn't t-shirts. Whoa. I put the cap a little too big. Okay. But look. How cute. I'm gonna wear this on Valentine's Day. No, I'm not. I can't because we're going to like a fancy restaurant. So I can't really wear this, but that's so cute. Can't relate. I'm gagging. Hi, how are you? Jeffree Star approved. Iconic. And then his logo. That's the back. What size? I got a large. I'm not going to try it on because I don't have a shirt under this sweater, so that's not happening. But I like my t-shirts a little bit big. in case they shrankity shrink. Okay, I'm excited about that because I think there was only hoodies in the launch, and I love a good t-shirt. I really don't care what's on the t-shirt. I just love a good t-shirt. I'm all about t-shirts. So, next, paper. Okay. The gloss. Ooh. Okay, I have 2 glosses. I have 3. Well, I have 4. Wait, 1 second. Oh, yeah. Okay, I didn't remember the names. I didn't remember the names of the gloss I have. I have Shane Glossin, the gloss. But then I have Diet Freeze that I got in a mystery box. And I have Shockwave. And I have Crystal Kiss. This one is, and I love the glosses. They're really not sticky. This one is Candy Drip. Oh my gosh. Wait. These glosses don't say the gloss on them. Wait. So is this one like for sale on a site? I don't know. I'm gonna have to look. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, I already have a dose of colors. A liquid lip on, well, and some liner, but we're gonna put this on anyway. We're gonna tap it so I don't get flaky. She cute. I love a good pink gloss. My daughter does too. We share glosses. That's like the one thing, because she's too little to really wear lipsticks. Well, I say really wear. She is too little to wear lipstick, so we just share glosses. And she also loves the Jeffree Star gloss. She watched his new chocolate review video with me yesterday. She loved it. Okay, next. An exclusive Velour liquid lipstick. It's the Valentines question mark. So I have a Christmas question mark. I have a Halloween question mark. And now I have this question mark. I think that's all the question marks I have. Ooh, it's kind of, whoa. Whoa. I shouldn't have put this on, but let's do it anyway. That's different. I'm different. Oh, that's like, it's like a, whoa. It's like a neutral pink, well, reddish, pinkish. Yeah, it's on top of a gloss, but that's really pretty. It matches my hat. I love it. I'm scared. I have like 20. I've gotten so many mini breakers that if this is a mini breaker. Okay. I know I just said that I would not be upset about anything in this box, that it's a mystery and da-da-da. I'm not upset, but it's just like, how many more of these can I get? I mean, I've given all the rest away, so maybe I can just have this for backup. Let me make sure it's not tricking me. Okay, no. It's not. So, this is a lovely palette. I'm not saying anything about this palette. I've just gotten one in every single mystery box. And it's just kind of like repetitive. But that's cool. That's okay. But I can see why people would be kind of upset if this is what they were upset about, because it's kind of like, how many more, you know? How many more are we going to get? But it's all good. It's a lovely palette. And I've also purchased this palette like when it first came out, but it's got some really good colors in it and colors that I wear often. So once I'm done with the one I got, I'll move on to this one because I did not keep the rest of them. I gave them all away. So I only have one right now. So I'm pretty excited. But next, okay, this wrapping paper is not familiar. I'm not familiar with it. So what is it? Can y'all see my reactions since this cap? I love this cap. But can y'all, it's the 24 karat Skin Frost Pro palette. I do not have this. It is one of the highlighter palettes that God dang, y'all hear that hood shake in my house? Okay, you done? You done? Okay, but yes, I absolutely love his highlighters. I can also see why some may be upset about this. This has not been in any of the other mystery boxes that I've received, but this palette has been around, so, but I love it. I have this highlighter on right now. This is the Christmas Candy Cane Peppermint Frost Skin Frost Pro palette. I always get the name like blah, blah, blah. But yes, this is a beautiful palette. I better finish filming this before the electricity goes out. Let's just His highlighters are just my favorite. I'll put them all over my face. Okay. I love that like wet look. Some of them have not the Skin Frost Pro, but I can't remember. The other ones have more glitter. These are more of a wet effect. I like the wet effect. Oh my goodness. Okay, I really should probably get this show on the road because it is thundering like crazy and I really want to get this posted. So I'm really excited about this palette. The daggone darn mini breaker. I swear. Wait, well, what is this? Okay, so the mirrors, before I open this, I have the orange and black one from the Halloween mystery boxes, and then I have a baby pink one, and then I have a white and gold one, but I'm saving that one to use for my wedding, so it's never been taken out of the box. What's this color? This is the same box that the baby pink one came in. Let's see. Okay. Beautiful. Do not have this color, but it's kind of weird that an orange one would come. It is pouring outside. Would come in a Valentines box. You would think it would be like a red one or a pink one, but it's orange. But I love his mirrors. My face is looking rough. Y'all stay back there, okay? But yeah, I love a good mirror. Love it. Okay. One more thing. Straws. I love straws. I actually have all of these already, but I'll actually probably put this pack in my purse to take to restaurants and stuff because I never wanted to take the ones I had because I'm like, what if I leave them or I lose them? But now I have backup, so that was a good box. Except for this mini breaker. I'm not upset. It's just kind of a bummer. Like, throw something new, you know? It's almost like he wants to get rid of old inventory. But at the same time, you're getting amazing products and you're getting it for cheaper than you usually would. So I'm good with that. and I will continue to purchase mystery boxes. I just probably won't buy so much at like the initial launch. I'll probably hold off and then just buy the mystery boxes, unless, you know, it's something that I'm dying to get my hands on, then yeah. Or if it's like a one-time thing, then I'll buy it. But as far as like the palettes go, I might just wait, because like I've gotten 2 Thirsty palettes, another Blue Blood palette after I bought it already, another Jawbreaker. Did I get another Jawbreaker palette? I don't know. I need to use some of what I've got. So I'm kind of on a no-buy, except for foundation. I'm done, by the way. I'm just going to sit and chat for a second and tell you what's been up. So I have our vacation video that I'm still editing. I have my getting ready for my engagement pictures that I'm still editing. So those will be up soon. But I'm on a no-buy right now. I know y'all haven't seen any Ipsy or BoxyCharm videos from me, but that is because I skipped a couple months so that I can use what I have. So I think that's it. It is storming outside, so I'm gonna get this video posted, and I hope to see you and hear from you soon. I will have more content posted soon, but I came into this knowing that I wasn't going to be able to post every single week. I am a full-time mom, full-time 8 to 5 job, so I gotta have somewhat of a life too. I love doing this, and I love being here, and I love sharing stuff with y'all, but I'm not one of those YouTubers, at least not yet, to where I have the means to sit every single week and post. It's the filming, like, it's not the filming that gets me, it's the editing. I'll film all kind of stuff and I'll go to edit it, and it takes me so long. I have 4 cats, I have 2 dogs, so, and I'm planning a wedding, so bear with me through this year. But as things roll on, I think I'll start posting more and more. It's just, don't think that when I don't post in a little while that I'm going away, because I promise you, when and if I go away, I'm going to make a video saying, hey, I can't do this anymore, yada yada yada. Oh my god, it is lightning. Ooh. Okay, I gotta get off. I love you all so much. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a wonderful night and day, or whatever, wherever you are. Bye, y'all.